How to check north. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Compass application on your phone. Compass applications use a device's internal magnetic sensor to show your orientation to the cardinal directions and degrees, aiding in navigation, map reading, and orientation during travel or outdoor activities. Your current location, elevation, and coordinates are displayed at the bottom of the screen. For accurate bearings and elevation, hold your device flat so the crosshairs in the center of the compass are aligned. To find north, hold the device parallel to the ground, keep it away from metal objects, and allow the on-screen compass to settle to see the direction it indicates, which will be north. If you get inconsistent readings, move several feet away from the interfering object, and the compass should correct itself. Following these steps, you can easily check north. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.